Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward guide on navigating the world of digital assets. Today, we're diving into how to transfer MODIC from Coinbase to Kraken in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your holdings or switch exchanges for better rates, this step-by-step process will make it simple and stress-free. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring your MODIC like a pro. First things first, let's cover the basics. You'll need active accounts on both Coinbase and Kraken, with some MODIC tokens in your Coinbase wallet. Also, ensure you have your Kraken wallet address handy. Double-check it to avoid any mishaps. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so accuracy is key. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Head over to your dashboard and find the Assets or Portfolio section. Locate your MODIC tokens and click on them. Step 2. Select the Send or Withdraw option. You'll be prompted to enter a recipient address. This is where you paste your Kraken wallet address. Make sure to choose the correct network, typically Ethereum or Polygon for MODIC. If you're unsure, stick with the default to prevent any transfer failures. Step 3. Enter the amount of MODIC you want to transfer. Be mindful of network fees. They can vary, so check them before confirming. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your two-factor authentication. Step 4. Now, switch to your Kraken account. Go to the Deposit section and select MODIC. It might take a few minutes to a few hours for the tokens to appear, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your transaction status using a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. A quick tip: always start with a small test transfer to verify everything works. In 2025, exchanges might have updated interfaces, but the core process remains similar. Stay updated with each platform's help center for any changes. There you have it. Your MODIC is now safely on Kraken. This transfer can help you explore more trading opportunities. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.